on? Nick Lacapo here, Eric Tate. We're here to talk to you about Rick Lax's Penguin Monte, or the Penguin Magic Monte trick. This is one of the best tricks you can do.
Oh yeah.
Period.
I mean, Monte routines have been around forever, and they're always popular.
Lay
people love them.
Yeah, I mean, now there's two routes you can go, right? You can do the old sleight of hand version, or you can do the the extremely difficult fool us version, or you can do the version that I like to do, which is the special card version that makes everything look completely impossible.
Well, show me your version.
Well, yeah. Well, here, I got some for you. Have some money.
All right, I'm already on board with this trick.
Right? Hot tip though, right? Give your spectators some money at the top. It's a Juan Tamariz thing, I believe.
$4. This is the best trick I've seen yet.
Don't get too comfortable with it. If you're familiar with the Monte routine, it uses 3 cards. It's so funny talking to him about the Monte routine. You know about this? You know about this trick? Anyway, just search for Montefull. Anyway, you get 3 clubs, ace of hearts, 2 of clubs. The idea is to follow the ace, right? So keep your eye on the ace.
Got it. I know which one's the ace.
I'm going to mix them up, try to confuse you.
Okay.
And which one do you think the ace is?
That's the ace right there.
And you'd be correct. You'd be correct.
Sweet.
But you know.
So do I win another $1?
You don't win any money because you didn't bet any money.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see how this goes.
Right. In order to win the money, you actually have to put the dollar on it. So if you want to win it, you got to put a.
Yeah, it's right there. Give me.
No, you have to put the dollar on the ace.
What?
Right. That's.
No, that's not. It was definitely there. You put it down.
No, it changes. That's how this game works.
Oh, okay.
Right. We can play it again.
Yeah, I want to play it again.
Right. Let's play it again. See, the thing is that the 2 is here on the bottom, right, and the 3 is up here on the top. Right, so just which one do you think it is?
It's the one in the middle.
You want the middle?
Yep.
Oh, so that's also a 2. I'll take that as well. How you doing? You doing all right?
Not cool, man. Not cool.
Well,
my Monte reputation is on the line. You're swindling me here.
I didn't think about that. We're going to watch this clip of Eric getting fooled. Okay, anyway, so we'll make it easier.
Yeah.
We'll play 2-card Monte.
Okay.
Have you played 2-card Monte before?
I can win 2-card Monte.
We'll get rid of one of the black cards. All right, so we're just left with these 2 here.
Yeah.
I'm going to, it's not going to be super easy, but which one do you think is the ace?
I think it's there.
Actually, these are both black cards.
What?
The ace ends up over here.
No. That was definitely not an ace.
Yes, it was. Okay, so we have, we'll play one, the hard part, the thing is, I know what's wrong. The cards are face down.
Yeah.
We'll leave them face up.
Okay.
Right? So we know where the ace is.
Yep.
Right? It goes right on top of the ace right there.
Yeah, okay.
Right? So it's not here. Right? It's not there.
Correct.
Right? So where's the ace?
It's right there on my dollar.
The ace is here.
No, it's not.
This is a 3, and
the
2 ends up over there.
Well, now I'm out of money.
Yeah. Well, we can play one more time.
Yes.
You want to play one more time? I'll get rid of the 2. Oh, you don't have any more money.
No, I don't.
Oh. Well, that's too bad. Because no matter what you would have chose on the last round here, I'm sure you would have won.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because all of these cards are aces.
Where'd that other ace come from?
Oh, his acting. Yes. No.
No, that routine is great.
Yeah.
There's some really, there's some sick moves in this. Like the card changing when the bill is on it is really nice.
Yeah.
The gimmick cards are really nice, printed on USPCC stock. These are gimmick cards you're getting, which is the cards do all of the work for you. It's really great.
These are, of course, based on a classic gimmick that's been around for quite a while. Goes all the way back to DeLand and Ken DeCourcy, and then, of course, Michael Skinner made it popular at one point. That's when I first picked this up.
The Skinner's Monte is where I first encountered these gimmicks, but I believe the routine that we're working with here was, it's got a lot of touches by Anthony Miller, Oz Perlman, Rick Lax. A lot of people have contributed to this over the years.
So you're going to be learning some classic gimmicked Monte moves. I guess that's what we're calling these moves at this point. But then also these new contributions with like using the money and using that to accomplish some of the things. So it's amazing. So even if you already know or familiar with it, you're going to learn a lot new new stuff on the video, right? It also comes with an ebook and instructional video from Oz Perlman.
If I'm not mistaken, you also get 2 sets of gimmicks here.
Yeah, you
so
do.
if you already have these gimmicks, this is a great one to pick them up, because as we know, if you do this over and over and over again, eventually the cards will wear out. But here you get the gimmicks in red and blue.
Yep.
The gimmicks are printed by the United States Playing Card Company on bicycle stock, which is really nice. So
Yeah, it's going to have the rider back.
Yeah, the rider back, which is really nice, and as we said, both red and blue.
Look, if you haven't done this trick in a while, I mean, because I know a lot of you have gotten it. If you've done any conventions, sometimes this is like an included thing in your convention package, and maybe you didn't even know what to do with it, right? The video here teach you exactly what you just saw. It's an incredible trick. I mean, this is the type of thing that if I had to do like a close-up trick in front of like a ton of people, 5,000 people, or even on TV, if it had to be close up with a camera that was burning my hands, I'm doing this.
Yeah.
It's unbeatable. It's bulletproof.
Yeah.
You know?
It really is bulletproof. There's nothing to see. It's very difficult for your audience to backtrack. It's an excellent trick.
I say that, and I've been keeping that in my back pocket. Like whenever that opportunity arises, when I have to do like the closest card trick, like this, I'm going here. I'm doing this. Telling you now, you'll see it at some day. But like, man, because this trick is just too stinking good.
The Penguin Monte. It's totally worth your attention. You should check it out.